Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can search for filters over on Instagram. So in order to do this, click on Instagram and make sure you have the latest updated version. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the plus sign right here at the bottom of our screen. In order to search for filters, you can do this in two ways. Either through story or through reel, and it works different on both ways. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do this on both of the variations. First, with a reel, all you need to do is click on reel and click on the camera right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on effects, and now we are here and we're going to click on this small little magnifying glass right here. And now you can search for any filter you want, for example this one, and it will give you all the filters there are for that specific name. Now in order to search for a filter over on the story, all we need to do is click on story, and now we're going to swipe all the way to the right till we find this magnifying icon right here. Then simply click on it, and now we're here also at this story tab or this filter tab over on stories, and you can do the same clicking on the magnifying glass, and now we're also at the filter search bar where you can of course always find any filter you want. So that's how you can search filters over on Instagram. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.